Hey YouTube! I'm about to play out this fucking lot. I'm about to play out this fucking lot.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose. I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss. You know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me.
Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another vibe. It's your girl Gloria and I'm back again with another video. Sorry guys, I couldn't talk to you all in the morning. I was so busy, but then I'm back here. I was having an online lesson, so I have to follow after I had my breakfast. So I'm back and currently is 1:39 and I'm back, and today's plan is to take you all with me like what I do for 24 hours here. Since I had an online lesson, you know, I'm a little bit free, and I have my iPad with me here and I'm so mad at her. Why? Because the case wasn't helping me today, so I'm about to switch it to my keyboard case. Like, I was stressed out today, so I have to change it right at the moment. I have to change it, so I'm gonna be using my iPad case keyboard here. Actually, yeah, this is very good one, so I have to change it right now. I'm so pissed, and I love purple actually, but pink is my thing. And let me remind you, I'm recording with my camera. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I don't know how you're gonna see this. Okay, let me just put my iPad in the keyboard. Okay, we're gonna put in. She is in. Let me turn it on. See the light? It's on, and I like it because, I mean, why not? She's looking pretty here, and I'll call my best friend later. So yeah, I know, so I'm a pink girl, but this is very dirty, like y'all can see. It's so dirty, so we have to change it. I have to say goodbye to you, okay? And mind you all, this is actually my bus card and I have to renew it today, so I'll take you all along with me. It's my bus card actually. We are going with this actually. Never give up. It's so cute. It's black and white. Yeah, so I mean, why not? It's looking cute. Yeah, you guys have seen this before. Like, I got this as a birthday present actually, and I want to change the shoelace actually because I'm just a girl. I want to do the same because my best friend had the same, so I have to, you know, do the same. She asked me to do the same, so I mean, why not? I have to, you know, call her first before doing this, so we're gonna put her on FaceTime now, okay? I'm calling her right now. Yeah, and I'm sitting right in front of the windows. I'm not using ring light actually. Yeah. Oh. Say hi to YouTube.
Hey YouTube!
Oh my god. So babes, guess what I'm about to do here?
Gloria, help me, man. Guys, who the fuck would you that?
Oh, okay, give her man. Show my viewers what she got. Show my viewers. Let them see. You can look served up. Like, literally, I don't like gold. I'm just silver girl. She's a gold girl. Okay, that's not my thing. Anyways, let me put her here so that I can speak to her. Good. The lazy different now, so I don't like this one. I have to take it. Oh, guys. Yeah, the fact that I'm watching her is so crazy. I have her on my iPad, like, it's so crazy. But we have to, you know, remove this. I have to say goodbye to this. Let me show my viewers. Look. It's given, guys. So I'm gonna do mine too. But then I'll go off and come back.
Baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterfly in my belly. Oh Lord, girl, your love is crazy. Girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me.
Anyways, it's out. We're gonna put a new one, but I need this because my Converse here, the shoelace is so dirty. So maybe probably I'll use this for my Converse. But no, I'm just scared. Start to lace this up here. Okay.
Gloria, who the fuck you kind of kapot maken?
Laten zien. Geef aan je man. Het is echt makkelijk. Anyways, guys, see, trust the process, okay? I'll be back when I'm done. Now you see the difference, yeah? You see the difference? I mean, you see? So I'm gonna take this down and do it, then I'll be back. But this one is looking cute. Okay, guys, I'm done with the other one too. Let me show you both of the shoes now. Okay, I'm just a girl and I love it. Like, guys, this is so fucking pretty cute.
My baby love don't bust the dime. My baby love don't bust the dime.
Thank you. Anyways, so I'm gonna take you all with me to go renew my card here. Then I'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do actually after that, but then I'll keep you all update here. I'm now leaving home to go renew my Trump card, so I'll take you all along with me. Super excited.
Hey, dollar, just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Hey, dollar, might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Till we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one not to get the stone. No way, not one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, like, tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dream the living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all at night time rhyming, yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar sign.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but I've seen.
Wat 56 euro alsjeblieft.
Oké, met dat.
Zo,
Yeah,
alsjeblieft.
thank you. Guys, I have a new card now. Yeah, I'm leaving the lamb. Yeah, I'm leaving the lamb alone. I have a new card now. Period. I'm going back home. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'll keep you all updated. I'm at Central Station here, and I'm looking so terrible because people are watching, and I don't like the way they're watching. But I'm still recording myself. I don't give a fuck. I'm not asking anyone to be in my video. Yeah, period. And we passed by Primark. Yeah. I'm trying so hard not to go there, but I can't. We have to enter. I'm just a girl, so we are going straight inside.
I like bad bitches, bad only know what I told you. You only know what I showed you. Done lost too many soldiers. On my head's up. We only get older. And only get older. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, bad riches, bad bitches.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Oh baby, it's the everything for you, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar cold.
But if you ever feel like this, then days will feel like months.
Guys, I'm so tired and I'm about to get something to eat, then I'll go back home. And I'll be using my phone and also my camera to record all the time. It's so funny. I'm a little bit shy. I'm not used to the camera, but we'll get there, okay? Period.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no maybe. In the meantime, need some me time. You know what you want. By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shell. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady?
I can't